Problem number 12. The current through an element is shown below. Determine the total charge that passed through the element at A 1 second, B 3 second, and C 5 second. So, given yung ating current waveform. So, para ma-solve natin yung total charge at this instant time, kailangan muna natin kunin yung mathematical representation ng current waveform na to. So, after that, i-derive natin yung Q equations natin by means of integrating yung ating equation na I is equal to the integral of Q is equal to the integral of I dt. So, kapag na-derive na natin yung mga equations of Q in terms of time, so, dun tayo magsasubstitute ng specific value ng time A, B, at saka C. So, start na tayo by using the 2-point form para makuha natin yung mga equations natin ng line dito sa mga interval na to. So, solution. Okay, so susulat muna natin yung mga interval. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apat sila. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is 0 to 1. 0 to 1 second. Tapos dito is 1 to 2 second. And then ito naman ay 2 to 4 second. Between 2 to 4 second. And then yung last interval natin ay 4 to 5 seconds. Ayan. So, pwede na natin kunin yung mga constant na charge, okay? Yung mga horizontal line natin. So, first, yung ating para sa interval natin 0 to 1. So, constant 10 ampere siya. So, lalagay na natin dito na 10 ampere. And then, dito sa interval natin ng 2 to 4. So, ang value ng current natin ay 5. Ayan. Okay, bali ang hinahanap na lang natin ngayon ay yung interval para doon sa interval 1 to 2 and then doon sa 4 to 5. So, for interval okay, between 1 to 2 seconds. Okay, identify tayo ng points. So, 1 to 2. So, itong nasa taas, that is 1, 5, 1, 10. Tapos, yung isa, that is 2, 5. 2, 5. Ayan. So, label natin para madaling i-identify what is x1, y1, and x2, y2. Using 2-point form, y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 multiplied by x minus x sub 1. And then we substitute. Okay, so y minus y sub 1. Y sub 1 is 10 equals y sub 2 is 5 minus 10 over 2 minus 1. Okay, multiplied by x minus x sub 1 is 1. Ayan, and then we simplify. 5 minus 10 over 2 minus 1 is negative 5 over 1, or that is negative 5. Multiplied by x minus 1. Okay, transpose natin negative 10, so magiging positive. And then multiply na din natin yung negative 5 kay x and negative 1. So this is negative 5x plus negative 5x plus 5. And then transpose na natin negative 10. So that would be positive 10. Okay, so ang answer natin ay negative 5x plus 15. And then we palitan natin yung mga value natin ay mga variable natin in terms of current. So, y-axis tayo and then sa x-axis time. So, this is I is equal to 5 negative 5t plus 15. So, this is our equation for second interval. lagay na natin. Negative 5t plus 15. Okay, next for interval. For interval 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, identify tayo ng points for that interval. So, dito, yung una, 4 at saka 5. And then, yung isang point ay 5, 0. Tapos, label natin para madaling i-substitute. And then, proceed sa 2-point form. So, y minus y sub 1, that is 5, equals y sub 2, which is 0 minus 5 over x sub 2 is 5 minus 4, multiplied by x minus x sub 1, 4. Ayan. Then, simplify y minus 5. So, 0 minus 4 over 5 minus 4. Again, that is negative 5. Tapos, x minus 4. Tapos, simplify ulit. Y is equal to negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 4, positive 20. Tapos, si negative 5 transpose, so plus 5. And then, y is equal to negative 5x plus 25. And then, palitan ulit yung mga variable natin in terms of sa y-axis, current I, sa x-axis, time. So, this is I is equivalent to negative 5t plus 25. So, ayan. Lagay na lang natin plus 25. So, naporma na natin yung mga equations ng current natin. So, ang gagamitin na lang natin, ang gagawin naman yan natin is to use these equations of current para makuha yung charge. Take note, ang tinatanong dito is yung total charge. Hindi siya kagaya ng current dun sa problem 10 and 11. Okay? Instant value ang kinukuha. Dito naman sa number 12, total charge. So, gagamitin natin dyan yung equation ng Q is equal to from time initial to time final I did.